know about tissue. So perfectly, did anyone know what tissue was?
Ma'am?
Yes, Tiara?
Yes, tissue is a group of cells that have the same or similar structure and function, working performed in the body of living organisms.
Okay, next, Tasha.
Tissue are a group of similar cells that work together to perform a specific function.
Okay, give applause to Tiara and Tasha. Okay, everyone. So, tissue is a group of similar cell and cell product to perform a specific structure and physiological role in an organ. There are types or category of tissue in our body, and how many category tissue in our body? Yes, Tasha?
There are four main categories of tissue in the human body: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous tissue.
Okay, thank you, Tasha. Applause to Tasha. Okay, so four categories of tissue. There are epithelial tissue, connective tissue, nervous tissue, and muscular tissue. Differ from each other by the type and function of the cell, the characteristic of the matrix. The first, epithelial tissue. Epithelial are example of space cell and the body surface external and internal lining of organ. Serve for protection, secretion, excretion, filtration, and absorption. And any question about epithelial tissue? Yes, Tiara?
Yeah, I want to ask about epithelial tissue. Is how does epithelial tissue protect the animal body from the damage? Thank you.
Okay, epithelial tissue protect the animal body from the several mechanisms: physical barrier, pathogen protection, regulation of substance exchange, protective secretion, and specialization function. How, Tiara?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And the next, nervous tissue, which neuron and cell body. And nervous tissue, information and signal to other cell. And neuron cell that conduct impulse, and the cell body metabolic center contain the nucleus. Three nervous tissue: sensory neuron, motor neuron, and interneuron. Sensory neuron typical location in surface of skin. And the motor neuron typical location brain and spinal cord. And the interneurons typical location brain in inner cord. And the next, muscular tissue for elongated extensible cell and specialist for contraction and movement. And there are not only responsible for movement, process of digestion, waste elimination, breathing, speech, and blood circulation. So, how many types of muscular tissue? Yes, Tiara?
Okay. From the type of muscular tissue is the skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and the cardiac muscle.
Okay, give applause to Tiara. So, three types of muscle tissue: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle is voluntary, used attached to skeleton, and smooth muscle and cardiac muscle is involuntary. Smooth muscle use the confining wall of internal organ, and cardiac muscle only confining walls of the organ. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And the last, connective tissue. Connective tissue is connects of stripe and support all the other of tissues in the body. Epithelial tissue, lining of red organ and odor of organ. And skin surface or epidermis. Muscular tissue, cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, and skeletal muscle. And the nervous tissue, brain, spinal cord, and nerves. And the last, connective tissue, fat and organ supplying tissue, bone, and tendon. Okay, all?
Okay, ma'am.
So, how many types? Connective tissue. Okay, Tiara?
Type of connective tissue is close connective tissue and dense connective tissue.
Ma'am,
Okay, Tasha?
cartilage, bone, and blood.
Okay, give applause to Tiara and Tasha. So, two types of connective tissue, proper and specialist. Proper, lost connective tissue, and dense connective tissue. Lost connective tissue, typical location, beneath skin, between organ. Okay, and the dense connective tissue, typical location, tendons, cell around, muscle, kidney, liver, and dermis of skin. And the cartilage, typical location, spinal disc, knees and organ joints, and nose and tailbase. Bone typical location, most of skeleton, and the last blood typical location, circulatory system. Okay, all?
Okay, ma'am.
So, can any question about material of tissue?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I want to ask, why is it important for different types of tissues to work together in the human body?
Okay, thanks for your question. Different types of tissue must work together in the human body, the support overall body function, and organ connective tissue, health structure order, and nervous tissue, communication signal. When this tissue work in coordination, that body can function properly and maintain in structure. How, Tasha?
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Can anyone give a conclusion?
Ma'am,
Yes, Tasha.
the human body is made up of 4 main types of tissue: epithelial, connective, nervous, and muscular tissue. It has a specific structure and function that support the body's growth, repair, movement, protection, and communication.
And the next,
I
Tiara.
want to ask about conclusion. The conclusion is tissue is a group of cells that have the same structure and function in the body of living organism. Human body tissue consists of epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Now, the epithelial tissue is from the lining of organs, body surface. Connective tissue is provides support and protecting the organ. Muscular tissue is which enable movement, and the nervous tissue which transmit impulse for body communication.
Okay, give applause to Tiara and Tasha. So, in this conclusion, the human body is composed of 4 main types of tissue: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue covers body surface and organ functioning in protect, secretion, absorption, filtration, and excretion. And connective tissue support bind and protect body structure as well as store energy and transfer substance. And the next, muscular tissue enable body movement top contact, either voluntary and or involuntary. And the last, nervous tissue is responsible for reversing, processing, and transmitting, include serving as the body communicating network. These 4 tissue types work together to maintain the body structure and ensure its proper function. Okay, Al?
Okay.
Okay, so don't forget to study again at home. And next week, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.